Hi everyone, this is Balwan and it is a day 3 of English speaking challenge and you are watching me on Rosanna English channel. It is around 9 o'clock and I just wake up around 8 a.m. So here is a new member you can see. So here you can see the little puppy. Bobby, who is this? Bobby, कौन है ये? It is a new member. Bobby रोटी लेके आजा. Hey, it is too cold outside, so now he is eating roti. Bobby is playing with him. He become friend of Bobby. Bobby, say hi to everyone. She does not know English. So I has mentioned in previous videos that I have started this series just to improve my fluency in speaking English. So I am trying every day. I'm trying to make video and upload. Hi, so I just came to my field. My brother asked me to accompany with him and come to field. So let me show you my our field. This one and that one, and as you can see behind me, these are. So there are total 5 field of ours, and let me show you the my field. So that one and this one and this. So here we are growing wheat and chana crops. I don't know what to say chana in English. So in my village, like whatever profession in you are, either you are a teacher or you are an engineer or you are in an army personnel, everyone does farming as a side job. Everyone has a field, everyone has a cow, and everyone does farming. The chana and wheat are usually winter crops. You cannot grow on summer. So right now it is winter. So we are growing these crops. You also can see the rain gun behind me. In my village, people you usually don't use this rain gun. Many are unaware of this. They are lacking the knowledge of smart irrigation and drip irrigation system. But as an experiment, we have installed 2 rain gun, and we usually do irrigation with this help of rain gun. So let me show you the crops of chana and wheat. Here it is a chana fasal, and this is the wheat. There is a major lifestyle changes when you live in metro city and when you comes in village. Like in metro city, life is too hectic. I don't think there is a peace of mind. You always run behind money, always out of time. But when you come to village and live like in those fields and spend your time with family, then you live in present moment. You are not worrying about your past and not worrying about your future. But in metro, either you are in future state of mind that you have to do those things and always a competition mode. So if you think your long-term goal is to be in at peace and live a sukoon life, then you must explore the village life. I am sure you will love it. You can see that I came from that village where people learn Hindi to speak English. Like here we usually speak Marwadi, Rajasthani and Marwadi language. So people learn Hindi. So to become a fluent in speaking English, it is a very big task. And though my village is little bit developed, and you cannot say that it is a typical kind of. So let's wrap up the day 3 challenge, and we will meet tomorrow for day 4 English speaking challenge. So if you like my video, or you have learned something new, or you are at the same level of mine, let's subscribe and let's join hand together and grow together. Thank you.